everyone, how are you? I'm hoping you guys are doing great, and this is an introductory lecture to the series that we are having on Numpy. In that particular series, we are having total of 8 lectures. Lectures where we will discuss from the very basics of Numpy. What is Numpy, how to set up it, what is the use of it, how we can create arrays. We will also discuss how Numpy is different from list. Array is different from list. In which particular case you need to use an array, in which particular case you need to use a list. Okay, after that we'll discuss about how to create an array, how to perform different operations on it, how to generate a array of shape, let's suppose n by n, how to generate some numbers into it, how to generate random number, how to generate an array with all the random numbers. Okay, apart from that we'll also discuss how to concatenate multiple arrays, row wise, column wise, how to find the sum, how to sort the elements row wise, column wise. All the things are going to be discussed in this particular series of Numpy. We'll start from very scratch and we will go to the top where we can perform almost anything using Numpy array. All the operation you can perform on Numpy array. Okay, so I'm going to be your instructor for this particular series. My name is Jangra and I'm going to teach you all of the things in Numpy. So just stay tuned for this particular lecture. You can go and binge watch all the lectures. We are also having the codes along with us, so you can go to the description and you will get to know about all the code that we are having, that we have written. You just go to the GitHub and you will find all the links. So that's pretty much it about my side. I'm hoping you guys are doing great. So let's jump into the series and I'll see you in the series then. Take care. Bye. See you there.